Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil in a two-stroke dirt bike. So your first step would be to warm it up a little bit to make sure the oil is moving around good whenever you go to drain it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll bring you back. Now that the bike's warmed up for a minute or two, now you can drain the oil. The oil plug is on the bottom. Mine is right here. This is specifically a KX100, but it's very similar on all the other bikes. This is a 14 millimeter. So you'll just go ahead and crack that open. Maybe. Is that the wrong way? No, it's just tight. Tighter than it should be. Oh, so it's, see, there's a little bit of everything in it. Huh. Sure, it needed it. Now you're just gonna let this drain out until it comes down to a just little drips here and there. Your oil should be a light yellow color. That's new. It needs to be changed once it's a dark brown or black. If you ever have it gray, that means it's mixed with water, like a milky color. I like to tip it back and forth every once in a while just to try to get a little bit of extra out. Once it gets down to about this, I just go ahead and put it back in. Put it back in, tighten it up, and then you're on to the next step, which is filling it back up. All right. So now that you're ready to fill it back up, you're gonna be looking for a oil cap, and you're gonna take it off, and it should tell you your oil capacity right here under it. Mine says 70. I don't know what that mark is. I thought it was liters, but I don't think it is. Oh, it is. It's 0.7 liters, which is 700 milliliters. Just because that's an easier measurement for me. Why aren't you coming out? I mean, you are, but it's acting really weird. Mine don't ever do that. Okay, so you have your measurement here. If it doesn't show that, you can look it up, or you can check most bikes. They have a sight glass right behind the foot brake, and you can measure it by that. Set that in there. I'm using this. It's wet clutch oil, 10W40. I got it from O'Reilly's for less than 10 bucks. All right, now I've filled it up with 700 milliliters, but just to be sure, I'm gonna stand it up where it would be running, and I'm looking at the sight glass. It'd be hard for you guys to see it. I'll try. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it's up to right here, which is where it should be. After that, just reinstall your oil cap. Hate the position of this. It's fine. Set it down.
The smaller
Because it's broke.
What?
That's why it was so hard to get off. I knew that was weird.
So you're gonna buy a new one?
No.
Yeah.
Now that everything's put back together, you should be good to go and you're ready to go ride again. And that's how you change the oil in a 2-stroke dirt bike.